Okay, in both the subjects, you are studying the same thing, that is Python, but pure programming you are doing in computer science. You are doing application-based programming in IP. So then you will ask me, what is application-based programming? Application-based programming means, when you do Facebook, when you log into Facebook, you can see with graphics, everything. You can see a window where you will sign in, and you can have sign in username and with the password, isn't it? Adul, yes or no?
Yes.
Children respond. Adul,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute. And so you have a Facebook account. Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Yes. So many of you have Facebook account. You have Instagram account, and do you know using which program this Instagram is made up of? That is made up of Python. So this Python language is a very strong language, and you're going to study this Python in +1 and +2. So nowadays you can see this Python about this incidents, from the newspaper and TV, isn't it? This is the same thing, Python, and you are going to download a software called Anaconda. So what is the software you are going to download in your laptop? The name is this is the software name. A software means it's a collection of program. Facebook is a software. Your Instagram is a software. Your WhatsApp is a software. The same way you have another software called Anaconda. First you will download Anaconda in your system. Then inside that you have another thing called Spider. Then when you download Anaconda, you will get Spider with that. Inside the Spider, you will do the program Python. This is how both the IP students and the computer science are going to do the program. So if you need, you can download Anaconda, and when you download Anaconda, automatically you will get Spider and Python. So this is the thing where you want to do the program. Okay, so Python is a programming language, and I told you Anaconda is a software. So do you know what is a software? In which platform you are doing this online session? Irfan? Irfan. Where is Irfan? Irfan, tell me in which platform you are doing this online session. What is the software name? Shivani, why are you laughing?
Zoom.
Zoom. Zoom is a software. And so Anaconda is a software. So what can be a software? Pavitra. Have you taken IP or computer science?
IP. IP.
IP. So what is a software? What do you know about software? Software. Okay, leave it. What is a hardware? Many faces are familiar. I think you can ask to Shivani again. Shivani, what is a hardware? Hardware. Say it.
Storage.
Do you have TV at home? Do you have
Yes.
computer? Do you have mobile? All the things, electronic things that you can touch and feel is a hardware. So what is hardware, Shivani?
Ma'am, storage.
Ah, loudly, louder. I can't hear you properly.
Correctly, I don't know.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I don't know.
No, I am not. You are not audible to me. Then I can. Evelyn. Evelyn, tell me. What is a hardware? Whether it is right or wrong, you say some answer.
Electronic things that we can
Yes. Why? Louder, louder. That is called a hardware. A computer is a hardware. This panel board, you are doing this panel board, it's a hardware. This, it is a hardware because all these things are a keyboard as a hardware. Where can the physical, tangible electronic devices are called hardwares. So what can be software? Vidur. Smiling is very good, but smiling is not enough. You say the answer.
Working system where applications work.
Okay, that is a good answer. Other than that, who's this Lala? Your name is Lala, or you have any other official name? Huh?
Manual.
Manuel. So is it your another name? Your friends call you Lala.
അല്ല ചേച്ചിയുടെ അക്കൗണ്ടാ.
Speak in English. Speak in English. Even though this your sister account, you can rename. Do you know how to rename in Zoom? No. Take participant list. Take participant list. You are using a laptop, right? Take participant list. Have you taken it? Okay. Then you take your name. You can see Lala there in the participant list. And tap on Lala, and there you will get more option. More there you have an option to rename.
No ma'am. No.
There is an option. I can't rename you. You have to rename. So next class onwards, you have to rename. Okay, you tell me what is the software.
അയ്യോ കളക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് അങ്ങനെ എന്തോന്നു.
Hardware is tangible things. So what can be software, Sana?
കൊണ്ടു കൊടുക്കും.
Sana, unmute and say the answer. If hardware is tangible things, what can be software? Intangible things. Facebook, can you touch and feel Facebook?
No.
No, it's a set of programs. It's a software. So the program that we can't touch and feel, it's called software. Okay, now it's clear. WhatsApp is a software. Facebook is a software. Your Zoom is a software. So there is software, hardware. One more thing that is called firmware. That is called share screen. We will take this. Okay. There are two things that is called what are the two things? Okay, clear. Clear all drawings. Where is the this one? Okay, so there are three things. The computer, there are different type of classification. As a computer is classified into according to the devices. It is classified into memory. It is classified into then CPU, like that. Input devices, output device. That is one kind of classification. Next classification that we are seeing today, that is classification. The first thing is, what is the first one that I told just now? Sana. Hardware. I hope everyone can see this writing. Hardware. Second one is Vidur. Second one is
Software.
software. Third one is, I just told now, Evelyn. Emmanuel, tell me, what is the third one?
No.
No idea. I just called firmware. What is that called? Firmware. You have microwave ovens and at your home, right? You have touch screen washing machines are there. So how it is working? Do you know how it is working? Microwave oven, not the manual one, automatic. Do you have any idea about it? How it is working? No idea. Amalraj, Srihari, then who else? Ashwin. Ashwin, sit straight. How the automatic washing machine. So we'll just put you can control the timer. You can control the timer. You can just touch and you can control. You can set as 30 minutes in automatic washing machine, 30 minutes or 20 minutes, 50 minutes. You have a panel, touch panel is available in many
Excuse
of
me,
the
ma'am.
washing machines and microwave ovens.
Ma'am,
These all are working using programs. Softwares are installed in these systems. So you'll be wondering how softwares can be installed. If you can't touch and feel softwares, then how can you install software in a microwave oven? There comes firmware. How many of you want to become electronic engineers? Electronics engineers? Anybody? Electronics? Anybody is interested in electronics? Anyone? No one? Muhammad Irfan. Hadi. Hadi Aman. What is your ambition, Hadi Aman? I'm asking you, Hadi, unmute. Hadi.
yeah, ma'am.
No. What is your ambition? Where you will be after 10 years?
I've not decided on that, ma'am.
Not yet decided, but you have to decide. You have to decide. It's time. You are in +1. You have to decide now itself. At least you have to tell me what do you want to become. Okay. Next day also I will ask the same question to Hadi. You should have an answer for that. So what the electronic engineer duty is, they will do the programming and they will be
Excuse
having
me, ma'am.
chips with them.
Ma'am.
Chips means hardware chips, like what you can say, integrated chips. Into that
Ma'am.
integrated chip is called IC. To this integrated chips, they will integrate using power. They will integrate the software into these chips. These chips are installed in your washing machine. So the program will be integrated into a chip. That kind of classification is called firmware. So what is a firmware? No name. Grishma, what is a firmware? What is a firmware? Softwares integrated into a chip is called firmware. So let me ask you again, Pavitra, tell me the 3 types of classification of computer software. Software,
A.
hardware, Dia, tell me the answer, Dia. Tell us.
Software,
Ah,
hardware,
ah,
firmware.
very good. Example of hardware. Amal, K. Saji, what's your video? Amal. Amal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Example of hardware. I can see computer there, right? You have a computer? Behind, I can see laptop. There I can see on the table. Example of a hardware, tell me.
Mobile phone.
Keyboard, monitor, your TV, everything, mouse as an example. Here we are studying, telling more about not electronic devices like fan and all. You are always telling about your based on computer hardware. So you should not say that example is fan. No, based on computer. You can say web camera as a hardware. Okay, hope you understood. Then tell me example of softwares. Sri Hari. Sri Hari.
Facebook. Facebook.
I can't hear you properly. Loudly. Say it.
Facebook, ma'am. Facebook.
Huh?
Facebook.
Facebook. Very good. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. All are softwares. And not only that, suppose we are going to a supermarket and you bought few things, chocolates and all, and the billing time, you can see the person who's doing that billing will have a system, computer system will be there, and they will scan the code and the unit price will be shown on the screen. And suppose you bought 5 chocolates, 5 dairy milk into 5, and you will get the bill. So there you can see a screen. That screen is working. That is a program. And in our school, you have a system, you have a program, a software is installed. Or in banks, banking software, how the ATM is working. When you get inside to the ATM counter, then you can see a touch screen. Sometimes it will be touch screen. There you can see, enter your account number. That is a software. So not only related to internet, in banking areas and in all the areas. Nowadays, in all the government offices, all are using softwares. So, and all the apps that you are installing, even in this Corona time, you have an app you should install that is instructed by the government. So all the apps that you are installing is a software. Now, hope you understood what is a software. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Firmware, software integrated into a chip is called firmware. You know, suppose a car, if there is a hit, you know, automatically the airbag will come, isn't it? It's blowing off airbag. How it happens? That is also programmed into a chip. So when the pressure becomes that much, the program is written that when pressure becomes above that range, automatically blow the airbag. So that is the program which is written. The same thing it's written, program is there in aeroplane. Same thing, whenever oxygen, many, in all the places. So nowadays, the softwares are very important in our daily life. Without WhatsApp, you can't sleep. At least once you have to check the WhatsApp, isn't it? Aditya. Or every day you have to, before you sleep, you have to check Instagram. So without softwares now, we can't live. and in this lockdown situations. Okay. So that's all the classification. Then we will move to the next topic, that is, hope this is clear. This classification, any doubt, this is a first class, so many of you know all the things what I told just now, but many of you don't know. That is why I was repeating it. Okay? This is one classification. This is all based on computer classification. Next classification is based on the hardwares. Only the hardware we are considering. So the question to Krishna Chandran. What is a computer? Very simple question.
It's a device which
Simply a device. It will work without power. It will work.
no electrical device.
Electricity is needed. Yes.
Yeah.
So what kind of a device it is? It is an electronic
Electrical
device. Okay. That's it.
Which makes our life easier.
Life easier. The what about fan? AC, which makes our life easier. Then what is the difference between a computer and AC? I'm
Don't know,
waiting
ma'am.
here. Vidur.
I don't know, ma'am. Really?
I know how to use, but I can't tell what is computer. It is there in your mind, but I can't speak, isn't it? That is what you are telling. It is there. I know everything. This is what happens when you write in your answer sheet. I know everything that is there in my mind, but it's not coming. It's not coming in words so that I can write in your answer sheet. Isn't it,
AC is to
Aditya?
give cool down, ma'am. AC is to give cool down.
Nah,
Computer is an...
Wow.
Vidu,
Yes, ma'am.
is there any joke going on?
No, ma'am. I think so. No, I'm afraid.
It's an electronic device. What do you do with computer? You will give some input, right? To enter into Zoom, what I gave a sign in. I gave a password. I clicked on sign in button. So what came? A new video came. So when I have to give an input, then I will get an output. What is the output I got? This is the output I got. And how I get the output? Simply entering the user ID and password is not enough. There should be some processing. A processing happens. When you click on the link, what happens? When you click on the link, that is your input. You are inputting the data. You are clicking the link. And some processing happens behind and you are getting the output. What is the output? You are accepted by me and you are being seen on the screen. That is the output. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which accepts inputs and process it and gives the output. Clear? Now Aditya, tell me. Your name is Aditya? Aditya S.
Yes, ma'am.
Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Computer is an electronic device
Very good. Electronic device.
which takes input and gives output.
Then who will process it? I want to make a milkshake. I'm giving ingredients to my mother. These are the ingredients I need. So she is giving you, then take the output. The same ingredient you'll get. So what do you have to do?
It takes
Process it. We have to put it in the
process
mixie. Your mom has to put it in the mixie. Put some ice. These all ingredients should be processed in the mixie. It will be processed. Then we will get the output. That output will be a milkshake, whatever it is. ice cream, whatever it is. Processing is very important. Okay.
Yes,
When I'm asking you a question, what is your name? How can you say your name is Aditya? Is your name is already you have been stored in your permanent memory. So you are getting the input. That is my question is your input. What is your name? So you know English before. That is already there stored in your memory. And it is going to your brain. Some processing is happening. My name is Aditya. That is your output. Always without processing, you can't do anything. Hope it is clear. The basic
ma'am.
concept. So we have seen three things: software, hardware, firmware, then what is a computer. The same question I will ask you again next day. So stay home, stay safe, and attend properly in the online classes. Okay? See you. Tata. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.